Greetings, friends. My name is John Gabriel, and this is the New Calculus channel. And so, what I'd like to tell you today is that I'm not going to go immediately on to the next video I promised, which was on axioms. I actually have the material ready, but I wanted to first talk about this before I go on to that video at another time. So really, I have also an announcement to make that there is now a new translation, yet another new translation of my free ebook. So it's starting to proliferate, and I'm really happy about that. And this new translation is in French, and it is available here at this link at the bottom. There are now 4 translations: English, Chinese, German, and French. And there are currently other translations in progress. So this is another one of my sites. It's an old Google site, and I shall soon place a link to this and whatever else I discuss in this video in the details section, and you'll be able to access it. So very quickly, a summary of the new calculus. So this is really what the new calculus is all about. Now, this identity here was realized as a result of the new calculus. This formulation that I'm showing here is not as rigorous, but it does what your mainstream calculus does rigorously. So this is the derivative definition, and this is the integral definition. And as you can see, there is no use of limits or infinity. These are actual values, by the way. All these are magnitudes, n, h, etc. And on the right side, I show you what you've learned as your bogus flawed mainstream formulation of calculus, which is on the right-hand side here. Okay? So this takes you many months to learn, and this on the left you can learn in just a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, even less if you have a high school knowledge of mathematics. And I don't mean the American high school mathematics, because that's really pitiful. So I'm talking about a basic knowledge of algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. I should have said geometry, algebra, and trigonometry. But anyway, so there you have it. And all this here is explained in my free article, Fixing the Broken Mainstream Formulation. So you'll see what all those things mean inside this article, to which I will also place a link in the details section. You will also see what Q of X and H means, and how to derive the formulas, and to see where everything comes from. So I'm going to leave you with that now, and hopefully soon I'll be talking about the fact that there are no axioms or postulates in sound mathematics, and that the driveling, sniveling morons of the last 150 years have been basically telling you that axioms are required in mathematics, and that's total bullshit. Well, I'm not going to go on for too much longer. Some of you are wondering where this place is that I have as a screensaver. Well, it's called Meteora, and it's in Greece. A place worth visiting, almost enchanted in some sense. It's been around thousands of years. Those monasteries that you see there are built high up on almost inaccessible rocks. And anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you can become a subscriber, spread the news, and if any of you are interested in translating my free ebook into your language, let me know, and I'll send you a copy of the document version, which is easier to edit, and it has all the diagrams etc. So I'm looking for people who are interested to translate into Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, maybe Dutch, and any other language that you're interested in. If you have a good knowledge of mathematics and a good knowledge of your language, let me know. Well, till next time, folks, this is the New Calculus channel, and my name is John Gabriel. Goodbye.